I think Ethno Denmark definitely feels like a special ethno. For me, it's the location. It really feels very important to have really strong connections with the local community, and being in this place is wonderful. Everybody is so welcoming. My name is Maya and I play the cello and I live in London. I first started coming to Ethno in 2014, so I've been to lots of Ethnos all across the world, from India to Catalonia to Germany and some places in between, and it's been an incredible experience.
Hi, I'm Ria and I'm 21 years old. I sing and I play the bass. My experience at Ethno has been really great. I've met a lot of new people. I've learned a lot of new cultures, their music, their dance, and I think it's a very special thing to be at an Ethno because you get to meet a lot of new people.
As well as being in this beautiful setting and surrounded by lovely countryside, I don't know Denmark at all, but I've had a really wonderful experience of that.
Ciao, sono Alina L'Orfeo. I am from Italy and part Germany, and I am a singer, and I play the melodica.
I think the most special part is that the family that's hosting us is full of musicians themselves, so they understand how much we love music, they love music just the way we do, and I think that's the most special part, to be in this beautiful space, to be in this lovely country, to be in this lovely weather, and Yeah, they've been very warm and welcome with us. So yeah, I think that's really special about Ethno Denmark.
Ethno Denmark for me is very special because it is on a very family-based location with a lot of children running around, and the owners for this Culturarte, doing it with a lot of passion. We are not that many people, and even though it's a big house, you feel like everything is very warm and heartfelt, so I really recommend it coming here.
रंगीली रुत आई मारे देश माँ सजीली रुत आई मारे देश माँ हो
I had a great time at Ethno Denmark. I learned a lot of new music and a lot about different cultures. I think one of the most special things about an ethno is how focused it is on community and learning music together, connecting through music together.
So, and especially in this one, I feel there's some extra sauce to it.